But I think Auroville is so much more than just the Matrimandir.
We're always trying to remember this place. Auroville belongs to humanity as a whole.
It's a place where so many people put their energy and put themselves into doing things that they actually didn't know how to do.
I think it would be good for the world to know more about this. Not that they need to come here and go in there, but to know about it and what it represents and how it can transform the ills of humankind.